right, after we've done those 4 basic value scales, we're going to add 2 more. So I'm going to draw another section here. And then 1 more. And then over here on the right, I'm going to label it. So I'm going to do a grade 8 with 2 colored pencils. Oops. I'm supposed to say grade 8. Grade 8 with 2 colored pencils, and then down here I'm going to do a grade 8 with colored pencils, with a colored pencil plus white. Grade 8 with colored pencil plus white. Oops. All right, so I'm going to use my indigo blue again. I'm going to use my indigo blue, and then I'm going to use my yellow here, canary yellow. When I mix the blue and the yellow, it'll make a nice green in the center. So use 2 primary colors. So I'm going to use blue and yellow. You could also use blue and red, that'll make purple, or you could use the red and the yellow to make the orange. And then I'm going to use blue down here with my white. So make sure you have a white also. So these are the 3 colors I'm going to use down here. So I'm going to start very, very lightly in the middle with the blue. And then when I get to the side, I'm going to start pressing darker. So the left side will be really dark, and it's going to get lighter towards the center. And you can hear my dogs barking again. They are excited. The neighbors across the street are moving, and there's lots of people to watch. So, all right. So have it nice and dark, and then it's going to go to a light color. And then I'll use my yellow over here. So it's just going to be really nice and light in the center, and you can see it's turning green. I might need to go darker with the blue. And then it's going to get darker on this side. I'm going to make it nice and dark here. I'm going to go back in and make it darker on the left side here, so you can see the nice color mixing in the center. And then I'm going to bring that yellow over a little bit more as well. So there's like a nice green area in the center, and then got my regular colors on each side. And when you're using colored pencils, you might have to go over certain colors several times until you get the darkness that you like, the darker values. And there is my grade 8 with that. And then on this last section here, I am going to do just blue and white. I'm not going to make it quite so dark this time. So again, start with, it's going to look similar to this one, but this time I'm adding white, and you can see the white will give it a different effect. So now I'm going to go in with my white on this side, and I'm going to go backwards. So you can see already the white is changing the color of the blue. And it kind of smooths out the colored pencil texture. It's starting to look more of like a creamy consistency, almost like a paint or like a oil pastel, which is kind of neat. And you would definitely want to wait and use the white until after you are done with your value. So there is the blending with the white. So it looks very different. And that is all for the colored pencil techniques today.